It's time for the return of the American Guerilla. Hey everyone, Dylan Schumacher, Citadel Defense, and we are here today to talk about a course that we are doing in April of 2027. The course is titled Citizen Guerilla, and this will be taking in Sioux Falls, South Dakota in April of 2027. Full sign-up dates, all the more information is on the website. So what is Citizen Guerilla? Citizen Guerilla is a course that we are teaching in partnership with S&S Training Solutions. So this is a Miles Gear course. If you're not familiar with Miles Gear, it's essentially a military-grade laser tag. That's the best way to describe it. You have a real rifle, it shoots blanks, you wear a harness system, it lets you know if you're dead or not. I've done it multiple times at One Shepherd, I've done it in S&S Training Solutions, and it is one of the best ways to do force-on-force training and really fight the fight before you actually have to fight it for real, if that makes any sense. So this course was developed because I want to teach American Minuteman fighting stuff from a guerrilla perspective, right? What exactly does that mean? And how does that look like? These are the questions that we want to answer during this course. I developed this course because I want to talk more about, and I want to teach more about, how do we as American Minutemen think about fighting? What are our general strategies and tactics that we should consider? If China invades tomorrow and the Red Dawn thing happens, like what now? How do we think about that? How do you, with your 3, 4, 12, whatever you got, guys, think about fighting? What are the general, like I said, strategies and tactics you want to use? And I bring this up because a lot of courses that we go to, and I've been to some of them, you've been to some of them, are taught from a more, what we're going to call a conventional military perspective, right? You're maybe organized generally into a platoon, and you're doing Army stuff just with everyday citizen people. And those courses are great and they have their place, and I'm not here to decry them at all. However, this course is different from those because I want to ask the question, what do you do for real though? Like how are you going to implement and steal some of the big Army stuff that's helpful? And is there anything we should be doing differently that would be more effective based on our context? Sometimes the answer is yes, sometimes it's no, and that's what the course is about. Citizen Guerilla, we're not hiding it here, right? This is generally geared towards a more guerrilla warfare mindset. We're going to talk about 3rd generation warfare, probably going to talk a little bit about 4th generation warfare. We're certainly going to talk about light infantry stuff, and I mean true light infantry, not just what big American Army calls light infantry and then loads them down with 300 pounds of gear or whatever, right? Like we're going to talk about all these concepts, and we're going to bring them together around the idea of the American citizen guerrilla and the American Minuteman acting as a citizen guerrilla. And again, what does that mean? One of the things that I'm super excited to do in this course is the class, you, me, all of our friends, we're going to be out in the field the whole time. This is about a 2.5-day course, depending on how you count it, and we are going to be sleeping in the field. All the nights we will be in the field, all the day we will be in the field. We're not coming back to the fob, there's no grabbing something from the truck. We're just out in the field with our Miles Gear and our team. All of the lectures will be done out in the field. Bring a notebook, you're definitely going to take some notes. All of the course instruction, everything will be done in the field. And there's going to be a bad guy element that will be out there active the whole time. So at any point, we could have to deal with contact. At any point, we will be planning missions to do something against the bad guys, right? They are an active, live element that will be out in the field during the course. And I think that's going to be a lot of fun. I've never been to a course like that. I came up with this idea when I was thinking about this course, and I thought that sounds like a lot of fun. We're going to try and see how that goes. So I have really high hopes that as we are fighting an active living enemy who's out there seeking to get us, and we're learning and growing, we're going to get chances to apply these concepts as we're learning them right now, and we're going to get to live like, you guessed it, guerrillas for a couple days. So I hope that's helpful. I hope that gives you an overview of the class. I hope that you're excited. I'm really looking forward to seeing you at Citizen Guerilla in April of 2027 over here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Do brave deeds and endure.